Okay, so my stock has reduced by half, which means the flavor is concentrated by that much more. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat, and this is an important step. You want to make sure that you turn off the heat so when the butter hits it, it doesn't automatically melt, but when it hits it, it actually forms into a sauce. So the bubbles have gone away, and I'm going to grab my pan, and because my pan was in the oven, it's hot, so I want to make sure that I use my towel here so I don't burn myself. And I'm going to start slowly but surely adding in the cubes of butter, one at a time. And as I do that, I'm going to shake my pan vigorously so it forms a sauce and the sauce doesn't break, meaning the butter would be on top and the stock on bottom. You want it to be one sauce. I'm going to start shaking it. And just a little shake like that will work. And as you can see, the butter is slowly incorporating into the sauce. We're going to keep doing this until all the butter is melted.